Welcome to the world of precision and performance. Today, we're unveiling a road machine that redefines luxury. Meet the Aurum Magma, a masterpiece crafted by legends, designed for those who ride like royalty. From the very first glance, the Aurum Magma's front view commands attention. The tapered head tube and aerodynamic shaping create an impression of speed, even at a standstill. The carbon fiber finish glistens under natural light, highlighting the meticulous craftsmanship poured into every angle. The internal cable routing is seamless, giving the bike a futuristic, ultra-clean aesthetic. Designed to slice through wind like a knife, the front-end profile is all about maximizing efficiency. This view captures the essence of performance engineering wrapped in elegance. The sharp symmetry between the fork blades and the front wheel demonstrates flawless geometry. Everything about the front view screams balance and control. Aerodynamics isn't just a feature, it's a philosophy here. You'll also notice the subtly integrated branding, Aurum etched with restraint, letting the frame's design do the talking. The fork is made from high modulus carbon, ensuring stiffness without sacrificing comfort. Paired with a low front stack, it offers aggressive positioning ideal for competitive cyclists. It's a front view worthy of the pros and the dreamers alike. Even the headset and spacers are sculpted for form and function. Nothing protrudes unnecessarily, and everything follows a smooth line toward the rider. It's the face of a bike that dares you to push your limits. Whether stationary or racing, the Magma's front view is unapologetically fast. A closer inspection reveals every carbon weave pattern perfectly aligned, a testament to its handmade construction. It's not just a view, it's an invitation to go faster. Move around to the seat, and you're immediately struck by the precision of rider comfort. The Aurum Magma features a carbon seat post tuned for just the right amount of compliance. It absorbs road vibrations while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency, a rare balance even in top-tier bikes. The saddle itself, often overlooked, is a refined component, selected to complement aggressive road geometry. Every curve and cutout is tailored for long-haul comfort, without compromising weight. This seat setup is built for racers, but also welcomes endurance cyclists who value plus support. The clamp mechanism allows micro-adjustments, letting you find your ideal riding posture down to the millimeter. The integration between the seat post and frame is near invisible, creating a visual flow from the top tube to the saddle. It's a minimalist approach that blends beauty with function. No exposed bolts or distractions, just a pure, focused design language. What's most impressive is how the seat area communicates the bike's dual personality. It's comfortable enough for all-day rides, yet responsive enough for high-power sprints. Riders will appreciate the way the frame flexes ever so slightly under load, tuned to perfection. Whether you're climbing alpine passes or grinding flat TT segments, this seat keeps you locked in and pain-free. Luxury isn't loud here. It's the quiet assurance of perfection beneath you. Now let's grip the ride, literally. The Aurum Magma's handlebars are a masterclass in ergonomic performance. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, they're designed for both aero gains and exceptional control. The drop bars feature a compact reach and shallow curve, allowing quick transitions from hoods to drops. This means better handling in descents, sprints, or tight corners. Every surface feels deliberate under the hands. Texture bar tape ensures grip without adding bulk. The integration of the stem and handlebars creates a cockpit that's stiff, streamlined, and slick. The cables run invisibly through the bars into the frame, enhancing both airflow and aesthetic purity. This setup reduces drag significantly, a detail that can save precious watts in race scenarios. The control levers fit snugly and ergonomically, positioned for instant actuation without straining your wrists. Whether sprinting or climbing, this handlebar setup adapts intuitively to your effort. Even the minor angles have been considered. From the flare of the drops to the pitch of the hoods, everything feels engineered with intent. The handlebars speak to the bike's racing DNA while still offering the comfort of an endurance platform. You don't just hold on, you command your ride from here. It's your steering wheel, your control center, and your first connection to the machine. And like every part of the Magma, it doesn't just perform, it inspires confidence. Stopping power is just as important as speed, and the Aurum Magma doesn't hold back. Outfitted with top-tier hydraulic disc brakes, The modulation here is buttery smooth and deadly precise. Whether descending a mountain pass or navigating wet city streets, the response is immediate. You'll feel the control at your fingertips with no lag and minimal hand fatigue. The rotors are perfectly sized for balance, neither overbuilt nor underspec. The brake calipers are elegantly integrated into the frame and fork, adding to the bike's seamless silhouette. You won't find any clunky or protruding hardware here. Every component has been tucked in with finesse. What really stands out is how quiet these brakes are under load. There's no harsh squeal, just a confident whoosh as the rotors do their job. It's braking with style, designed to work in the background while you focus on the ride. Braking on the Magma is not just a safety feature, it's an experience. You can go from 40 to 0 with absolute confidence, knowing the bike won't throw you off balance. Even under heavy braking, the frame maintained composure, with no flex or shudder. That's a testament to the rigidity and design harmony of the entire build. Whether you're racing or cruising, braking is an extension of your will, not a point of compromise. From the back, the Aurum Magma looks like a predator ready to pounce. The rear triangle is tightly compact, which helps channel more power from each pedal stroke. The seat stays are thin, sloped, and meticulously shaped to minimize drag and offer just enough vertical compliance. It's a rear profile that speaks volumes about speed, precision, and rider-focused engineering. The slim silhouette continues into the rear wheel, maintaining a tunnel of airflow right through the bike. This view also reveals the perfect alignment of the rear derailleur and cassette, especially if you've chosen the SRAM or Shimano D2 wireless group sets. It's a tech marvel in a tight, quiet package. The rear brake caliper is positioned subtly, barely interrupting the clean lines. This sleek rear design also helps with weight distribution, offering improved balance, especially during acceleration or cornering. You'll also notice how the seat tube tapers toward the bottom bracket, another aerodynamic play that improves stiffness. It's all about power transfer and performance at this angle. This rear view is a visual signature, recognizable, elegant, and distinctly high performance. It's where rivals will see you most often. Pulling away, leaving them in the dust. Step back and take it all in. The full side view of the Aurum Magma is nothing short of breathtaking. The proportions are near perfect, with every line and angle designed for function and flow. The top tube slopes just enough to give it a sleek, aggressive stance. The frame geometry strikes a fine balance between race aggression and endurance comfort. This is where art and engineering meet in harmony. Every component flows with purpose. From the fork to the seat stays, nothing looks out of place. Even the bottle cages are mounted flush, following the arrow lines. The branding is subtle and refined, a nod to those who prefer understated excellence. Whether parked or in motion, the Magma looks like it belongs in a museum of modern speed. It's the kind of bike that turns heads even among elite cyclists. This side view is also where the weight distribution and compact design really shine. You can almost feel how the bike would respond under your command. It's built low, tight, and fast, with just enough forgiveness for real-world terrain. From this angle, the Aurum Magma is more than a bike. It's a sculpted vision of what road cycling should be. Let's not overlook the wheels, because they're as critical performance as any frame detail. The Aurum Magma is usually paired with high-end carbon wheel sets like Zip or ENV, depending on rider preference. These deep section rims are made to cut through air and maintain momentum with less resistance. Light, stiff, and aero, they complement the Magma's racing pedigree perfectly. The hubs spin effortlessly, reducing friction and maintaining incredible energy return with every pedal stroke. The spokes are straight pull, bladed for aero gains and perfectly tensioned. Each wheel feels like a precision instrument, ready to handle high-speed descents, sharp turns, and full-power accelerations. They're not just fast, they're quiet and stable, even in crosswinds. Tires are another crucial element, often tubeless setups with top-tier compounds like Continental GP 5000. They provide excellent grip, rolling resistance, and puncture protection. The wheel set completes the story of the Magma, a system that's built for victory from top to bottom. On any road, in any condition, these wheels promise reliability and razor-sharp responsiveness. The Aurum Magma isn't just a bicycle, It's a vision of speed, style, and engineering brilliance. From front to back, every detail speaks the language of excellence. If you crave the ride of legends, this is the bike that delivers it.